This newscast is brought to you by Lavo. Island TV, a rapidly growing Caribbean television network based in Miami, just installed its third single-channel Airbox Neo 20 server from PlayBox Neo while updating its existing servers. With the recent launch of Island TV Plus, an English-language OTT channel, expansion of Island TV's cable and digital platform offerings, and a brand new studio, the network's equipment needed to keep pace. The third Airbox Neo 20 server handles ingest and playout for Island TV Plus, an English-language OTT platform with a broader Caribbean appeal than the Creole language programming found on Island TV.
University of Staffordshire has created a state-of-the-art esports broadcasting course with the support of Panasonic and its long-term partner, Digital Garage. This will enable the university to run esports events, accommodate more students onto the course, and position itself as a leader in academic esports broadcasting. The new 61-seat arena in University of Staffordshire's Esports Broadcasting Hub will utilize Panasonic's live video production platform, Kairos, including 2 at KC200 mainframes, compatible with the SMPTE ST2110 IP-based transmission standard. The installation of Panasonic's Kairos platform and 4K-capable cameras provides students with a professional broadcast environment in a university setting. Their experience in operating Panasonic's cutting-edge Kairos platform and IP-based video production networks delivers the future skills they need to go into the workplace.
Otherworld Computing has announced that 100% of its OWC Thunderbolt docks and hubs, USB-C docks, storage, and Thunderbolt USB-C cables are fully compatible with Apple's latest iMac with M4 release. These OWC solutions are also plug-and-play across all MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro models introduced since 2016, ensuring effortless integration across devices.
ShowSeeker, the ad tech company behind Pilot, the premier cloud-based, all-in-one campaign and order management platform, has announced that Nick Anaclerio has been promoted to Senior Vice President of Product Strategy. He has been a key member of the company's leadership team since November 2017. During Anaclerio's tenure, ShowSeeker has expanded from a team of 10 in 2017 to more than 75 today, including more than 3 dozen software engineers, 7 quality assurance professionals, 3 designers, 4 product managers, and several dozen sales and support staff, with more growth on the horizon.
Stadion Letzigrund, the home of football in world-class Zurich, one of the most renowned one-day events in athletics since 1925, has upgraded its sound system with Renkus-Heinz to provide spectators with seamless audio, no matter the event. Collaborating on the project were integrators Avidec and audio consultants Prometheus. The system had to be weather-resistant and flexible enough to cater to speech, music, and public announcements. Consistent and balanced sound pressure levels were important, as was even coverage. Renkus-Heinz C-Series and T-Series loudspeakers in the WR weather-resistant versions delivered exactly what Letzigrund was looking for.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.